Picture this. You're in the middle of an important call with a potential employer. The call's been going on for some time and everything seems to be working in your favor. All of a sudden, your phone dies. There's no outlet in sight and you left your battery bank at home. An iPhone battery, like other rechargeable batteries, won't last forever and will eventually stop charging or powering a device. Near the end of its lifespan, a battery can cause your phone to flash the Apple logo over and over but not start up. It can also do things like show 50% battery life and then turn off at random. In an update a while back, Apple introduced battery health. This is in your phone's settings menu. Just scroll down the list until you find battery, select that, and select battery health to give your battery a checkup. If your battery needs servicing, it'll let you know on this page. I want to show you a battery, what one looks like when it's damaged. So it's not really damaged. It hasn't been damaged, say like punctured or anything like that, but after a while it can expand. So a lot of the time you'll see an iPhone at the side, it'll be bulging out and the screen will be lifting. That's because of the battery swelling. So you can see this is an iPad battery. So it's got two batteries there and you got the one side's all puffed up and you can hear it's all crinkly. And the other side here, this one's still good. See the difference there in the sizes. Pretty outstanding difference there. And I got some Samsung batteries. Probably can't tell these ones are a little bit swollen, but thought I'd try to show you anyways. Yeah, you can't really see that they're too swollen, but they are a little bit swollen there. They're a little spongy too. Lucky for us, there are a couple things you can change in your phone settings to extend the life of your battery. The absolute biggest killer of batteries is the brightness of your screen. Keep this as low as you're able to handle and you'll notice a massive improvement in your battery life. Another thing you can do is turn off your Bluetooth or Wi-Fi when it's not in use. Do this and you'll also notice better battery life. And last but not least is turning off background application refreshing. The apps listed here are all allowed to use your battery in the background without you even having that application opened. Disabling apps here can greatly improve your battery life. I'll show you where that is too. So you're just going to want to go to your settings menu here. I believe should be apps. So in general, and then let's say background app refresh. It says here, allow apps to refresh their content when on Wi-Fi in the background. Turning off apps may help preserve battery life. So any of these ones that you don't need to constantly be using your internet and your battery, you can just turn them off. If you don't want anything to turn or use your battery when you're not using the app, you can just select it. It'll greatly improve your battery life. Something else that's really great for extending battery life and can actually save you in a pinch is a battery bank. We stock some really great battery banks and they can even charge your phone wirelessly if your phone supports it. If you're looking to have a brand new battery installed to make your phone last as long as it did when it was brand new, we can do that faster than any other shop in town. Just give us a call or stop by. But we don't just fix screens and batteries, we do it all. At Your Repair Depot, we repair so many different kinds of cell phones, tablets, and laptops that we can't even list them all. We've got loads of really cool accessories and cases in stock as well. And don't forget that we buy, sell, and trade devices too, broken or not. We're located at number 212 3030 Kilpatrick Avenue, and our phone number is 250-871-4541. If you got a second or two, take a look at our website as well. URL is www.yourrepair.com. Thanks for watching. Your Repair Depot. Your repairs done right.